So I, like other people, have been obsessed with Zendaya and Tom Holland. They're so cute together. But then I saw some more videos of Zendaya and pictures, and I really like her makeup. It's gorgeous. So then it got me thinking, I should try one of her makeup looks. Then I fell down the rabbit hole of YouTube and I found a video from Lancome that did her makeup, and I thought it was just so simple and stunning, but they used all Lancome, which is pretty expensive. So it got me thinking, let's recreate that look using drugstore makeup. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Samantha and I am just a mom who likes to play with makeup. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified of my future upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get into this. As usual, I went off camera and I did one eye. I mostly just wanted to make sure I had the correct tones for the eyeshadow, and along with that, I did a lot of the base because that's what they did in the video and I didn't want to bore you with all that. So I started off with the 4-in-1 Perfector. I really just wanted that nice glow from within, since, you know, Zendaya is 25, I believe. I'm 36. I kind of need help with that. So I also used the Supercharged Milani Under Eye Tint in Peach to combat my under eyes. The L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, because I just love the way that this sits on my skin. And then I used the E.L.F. Hydrating Camo Concealer in, I think it's light sand. Lastly, I did my brows, you know, my regular Kosas. Her brows are gorgeous. I'm pretty sure they're natural and she hasn't done anything to them, which I'm so jealous. But a lesson to be had here, do not over pluck your brows. So here's where the video picks up. They started on the eyes, and I'm going to use the E.L.F. Bite Size. I believe it's, yes, Cream and Sugar. And I'm only going to use 3 shades. This dark brown, this more light sand color, and this brighter shimmer. So what they started out with is this light beige. And Shika, the makeup artist from Lancome that was with her that day, is the one that's doing her makeup, and she just put this all over the lid. I guess I could have blended out my concealer on my eye as well. So just all over the lid. I'm just making sure that it's a nice even base. And she also took that under the eye. The next thing they did was this darker shade, which I'm trying to pick up just a little bit. Little. They just put this on the outer corner and lash line just to deepen this up. I believe this is the look that she used for her Lancome announcement, saying that she had been picked up by them, which, I mean, she's beautiful. She's perfect for it. So I'm also going to use a clean, fluffy brush and just kind of blend that out a little bit more. I don't want to pick up anything else, and I don't want to make it too dark. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the cream beige shade right here and just kind of put that a little bit over on top of that. They didn't do that in the video, but I feel like it's necessary. So the final thing that they did with the eyes from the palette is use this shimmer shade, and she used this on the inner corner and the brow bone highlight. Such a simple eye, but it is so gorgeous, especially because they paired it with a very bold red lip. And it's stunning. Sometimes the most simple things are really the most beautiful. She also did an eyeliner, and it was hard to tell what shade she used. It looked to me more like a chocolate. So I picked up my liner, what is it? Liner in brown denim. And she also just did it from the middle of her eye to the outer. She did not do a wing. It was just a very simple, again, just simple. That's the name of the face, I guess. Just simple. And then mascara. And for mascara, I picked Milani Highly Rated. I'm interested to know, are you into the Marvel universe? Are you an Avenger fan and all that? We are in this house. In fact, while I was pregnant, my husband and I watched every single video in order. It was like a must in our house. So we did that, and it took me forever. The movies were great. It was not the movie's fault. It was me. I was so tired and so sick my pregnancy that I struggled to stay awake. But the movies are amazing. So yeah, let me know down below if you're interested in it, or if you're into it, I should say. Who your favorite character is, or your favorite movie from the series. Okay, now this is where I'm going to change it up from what they did in the video. I'm going to use my cream products first before I go into the powder. So there's a couple things that they used, and one of them was cream bronzer, and I'm going to use e.l.f.'s Putty cream bronzer in, I believe, yeah, this is Tan Lines. So I'm going to use this just to warm up my face. She used it right here along the forehead and the jawline. I forgot that there is actually one more thing that Zendaya does that I guess it's more like her tip. She used the cream contour, and she uses it to kind of lift the outer eye. And she just blended that out. I think I see a little bit of a difference. I already did this eye, but yeah, I think I noticed a difference. It's more of an up. The next thing they did is they used blush. Now they used a powder blush, but I'm going to use Turks and Caicos by e.l.f. and this is a cream. And I think that this is very similar to the color that they used. They focused a lot on the apples of the cheeks and just lifted up. I'm just blending out the edges so that it is all mixed in together. A very subtle pink. Very pretty. The final thing for the face that they used was a cream highlight. Couldn't think of the word. I'm using an illuminator by Saint, and this is, I believe, honey. Yes, honey. And I'm just going to use my finger. I have some of it on already. And they put it on the high points of the face. So the cheek, the nose, the Cupid's bow. And what I thought was interesting is that her makeup artist likes to put it on the center of the forehead. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Not much. And I'm just going to blend that out. I love this highlight. Beautiful. So the final thing that they did was a red lip. Zendaya loves a red lip apparently. So I don't have technically a lipstick, but I have two different reds here. So I have the Maybelline lip ink. Is it lip ink? No, the matte ink. And then I have the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip. So I'm going to combine the two because I think together it gives me the perfect red that matches what she used. All right, so I went ahead and topped it with the Physicians Formula lip as well, and I love it. I really enjoyed this look. It came together quite easily and quite quickly, honestly. So, I mean, all these products I really enjoy. So, this is definitely not a review. But I would definitely say that I got the look that I wanted. Of course, I don't look like Zendaya because I am not Zendaya. I normally don't do a red lip, but I'm loving the way that this lip looks. It makes my teeth look really white too. So I love that. It's nice blue red. Beautiful. So yeah, I think that this look came together pretty well, and I'm excited that I did this. I'd like to do a couple more artists or, you know, singers, actresses, whatever. I think this may become a series on my channel. So if you have someone that you would recommend me to take a look at, or like a certain makeup look that you really enjoy, let me know down below so that I can take a look at it and try to recreate it using a drugstore makeup. All the items I used today will be down in the description bar so that you can take a look at them, and if you wanted to recreate this look, you could easily do so yourself. I hope you have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye!